with Adventure Child Tours. We're gonna kayak down 12 miles down the river. This is called Sauna Cave, and it is so hot in here right now. Oh my goodness. Coming out of the sauna cave. Holy cow.
Be careful, ladies.
This is Gold Strike Canyon.
Hey, Shawn.
at Arizona Hot Springs, White Rock Canyon. Good day. So this is my favorite sign. This is what I've been telling you all day. So if you feel a little loopy, probably hit the brain. This one's really slick. Just walk up the middle of it, hold your hand, feel each step. White Rock Canyon. I'm with Adventure Child. That shell we got going there. My new best friend on the trip. We got all kinds of new family now.
Who needs going to the gym?
This is our gym.
I know, right?
So I became the weak link. Now being pulled. Those are the strong links.
So that's Emerald Cave, but I guess at 6:30 at night, you don't get much light in here. So the water is still definitely green, but still pretty.
These are the speedy ones.
You don't like it? I had to take a
Oh, you're happy to see us? Hey, Tiff.
Oh, hey. Oh, my gosh.
Sorry. That'll be a good video.
How do I turn this around? Oh.
Hi, 360.
Good thing you have a headlamp with no batteries.
We're almost back to your car.
Oh, I forgot we're going to the right.
You can stay on the left.
You know which side your right is?
I know our directions. I just have bad memories.
Well, I have that too, so I got both going for me. GoPro turn off. GoPro power off. Shelly! Shelly, it's not turning off. It said GoPro turn off. GoPro turn off!
Are you still recording? Turn it. You have to stop the video. We're going to follow your blog later, by the way.